Wow, this is way nicer than the place we stayed at last night.
And it's central to everything we're here to see.
It's time to open up this new restaurant. Look at this. Very nice. We just gotta add tables. And that is it. Good crane. Ah. No. Help. No. Help. No. The building's leaning. Help. Help. The building's leaning. Help. Help. The building is leaning. Help. 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 Anyone? Oh, no. Ah, I'm dead. She's alive. He's dead, isn't he? He's dead by the crumble. He's dead. No. Most people are dead by this earthquake. No. Come on. They dead. No, come on. Maybe the ambulance come. She's dead. Oh, wow. I don't think so, no. Look at all those ambulances over there. Nope, they're all dead, are they? Yep. She's alive. Vincent, I can't walk hardly. Everyone else, I think they're dead. This is a pretty bad earthquake. No! I can't get it through. Connected. In the rescue. In the rescue. In the rescue. In the rescue. It's so bad. It's so bad. In the rescue. In the rescue. Oh no, that's bad about the collapse. No. 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 In the rescue. 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 Ooh, that building's about to fall. We need to go inside. Look at it. No, come on. Go inside now. Hello? Look at all this stuff that collapsed inside. This thing trying to fall on its own. Go. Some sort of, I don't know. It's trying to collapse. I'm scared that we're gonna fall. Come on. In the rescue. He's here. Someone's here. In the rescue. We here. Thank you. This thing is heavy. We forgot something. We need to go back down, okay? Okay. We gotta get that thing. Alright. Let's go get it. Here it is. The thing that lifts things. Please stop. No. We need to go out there right now. Don't play around. This is a bad. Another earthquake. There you go. This building is about to fall. It now. Thank you for saving me. Building about to fall. You can feel it falling. No. Oh, that building fall. Ooh. That building is falling, guys. It fell. Man, I cannot believe this. I think it's today. More. Come on. Where's that man? We lost him. Blame. Did that Buddha just stay in there? No. I'm right here. I'm okay. I'm just a little bit injured. I need to go. Okay. Alright. Since that man's gone to the hospital for a crushed rib, we need to see about. Wow, things was just falling from this earthquake. It's very hazardous. Alright. I think we saved the day here. I think we saved the day. Stop and save this man and stop being lazy. No! Young man, if this man die because you don't want to save him, I ain't gonna get in your ear. Do you understand? Yes. And I don't want to do it. All you got in my ear. Get in my ear. I'm gonna say this now. Right now. Okay, I will do it. He's on fire. Because of this earthquake. Come on. Do it. Please put out. You saved the man's life? Are you serious? You are am I the worst kid in the world? After stealing a car? No, you are the best kid in the world for saving someone's life. Because I got in your ear. I had to drive all around, all over the place to get you to show you that you are not supposed to be a bad person. You are supposed to be a good person. Thank you. You're welcome. Now, this earthquake has been the worst earthquake in Texas in history. Texas don't usually get big earthquakes like this. It's usually Turkey, California, and that get big earthquakes like this. Why did it happen here? In Austin, Texas. Texas is not supposed to get big earthquakes. We was not prepared for this. We didn't even take earthquake drills. So, a lot of kids in the schools died, and I hate it. I don't know what's going on with Texas. Hopefully, there won't be an unexpected hurricane or anything like that, or a volcano eruption. But we will find out in the future. Right now. Look at the bridge. It is destroyed. The sun still look good. It's that the ground looks terrible. It's the opposite.
It's simple, I love it, having you near me, having you here, hot conversations, outrageous, you smile, and I smile when I say, oh, this is getting personal, 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 let's stay for a while. And play, girl, let's make this a moment. Oh, giving you the best of me, amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, this breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball. Let's catch a movie, then dinner. Tonight's the night we'll just unwind and stay. Hey, let's stay personal, personal, personal. Let's stay for a while. Hey, hey, such a beautiful moment. Giving you the best of me. Ooh, amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, having you close to me, having you close to me. Amazing, amazing, yeah. Giving you the best of me, giving you the best of me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Having you close to me.